Hey everyone, I have another OCC unboxing, but today it's a little bit different. I'm using a cereal box. I had contacted OCC Canada and they said it was completely fine to use a cereal box, but they just asked that we try as best we can to stay within the measurements of an average OCC box that they have. I would suggest that if you do not live in Canada, I would email your OCC and ask them if it's okay to use a cereal box, because I know that within different countries they have different rules. So just email yours. They're very nice and they'll be very helpful. They'll have no problem with you asking them. But I do know for Canada it's fine to use a cereal box. Now for this one, it's packed to the brim, so I will need to definitely get those thick rubber bands that Karina and Christy have had in their videos, so I will definitely get some of those rubber bands. So inside here, this is a outer space theme for a toddler. And if you notice, my setting is a little bit different today because yesterday we had a little birthday party. It was my son's birthday and he was born the first day of fall, so I thought it was kind of fitting to make this box because his theme was outer space, and this is an outer space box for a toddler. And I will insert some pictures, a couple pictures of his little party that we had for him. It was really cute. But anyways, okay, so this is everything inside. Whoops. This is everything inside of his cereal box. So you can kind of get an overview. Now this here, this was so cute. I got this at Walmart in the baby aisle and it was clearance down to $3. It rattles. And it makes those crinkly noises that babies love. So I thought it was just too cute to put this with the cereal box that's apple cinnamon Cheerios. So we'll just put that on there. In here, I just placed them in here so they weren't as easy to lose, but he has a couple little figurines that he can play with. I figured too with these he could do like a little role play where he, you know, this could be their little house or their blanket. So he has these little figurines and they match his folder. Here, and inside I have our little message, and for this one I just put "Twinkle twinkle little star, Jesus loves who you are," just to kind of go with his theme. I just gave him this little die cut and some outer space stickers, some printables that I printed off. There's a number chart that goes to 100, and I had to get my little Hello Kitty in there with the astronauts. Color by number, and then his exercise book is in the back. So that's what's in his folder. And then he has this little doodle pad that I got at the Dollar Tree. Now inside here is his soap. I just put a few stickers on it. I struggled a little bit trying to figure out what I could put in here to go in his soap dish. Because he is so young, I don't want to put a lot of choking hazards. So I thought to put in more crayons. If the crayons were to, you know, leak like a little bit of that greasy wax, it would be completely fine because I have his soap in a Ziploc bag, and these nail clippers could be easily rinsed off, you know. So I thought this was a good thing to put in here because I think I got 5 extra crayons in here. So he has more, but this is just extra. And I like to put a milder soap in for the toddlers if I can. So that's what I have in his soap dish. He has his pencil case and his pencils. Now what I did here was I did put a pre-sharpened one in, and I just pulled it up a bit so that it wouldn't be as likely for him to poke his hand or to write on the box. So that's what I did there with some space themes. And then inside his lunchbox here, I found this at the Dollarama. It's a space theme lunchbox. It says, "Dude, that's awesome." And I got it for, I believe, about $3.50 or $4 at Superstore. And my son wore this on his birthday. And I thought it kind of went with the outer space theme. And then he has this toddler-sized poncho. Now I put some sidewalk chalk in here, and I left it in the packaging because I didn't want it to, start to get that chalky dust everywhere. Plus it does have little pictures, and if you can see that, there's a little rocket on there, so it might help him to learn how to draw. And then here are some more crayons for him to use. Here is his water bottle. I was not able to find an outer space water bottle. I figured he would still enjoy this one. He has a comb, another comb, a pair of socks. He has a toothbrush and it has little stars on it. He has this little sack, and inside there's this car, and then he has a whistle, and then some more little dinosaur friends for his big dinosaur. And a little lizard. And that's what's in his water bottle. This is a glow-in-the-dark dog toy that is completely fine to use for a child. I think it's a good size and it's very durable, and it does glow in the dark. This is his another little soft toy to go with his little apple friend. He has this pencil sharpener, and inside there's just a little regular eraser as well as a little bus eraser. He has a pair of underwear, another pair of size 4 briefs. This is his other sharpener. Inside I just put in some little fun stickers. And once again, you can see I put a little bit of kitty in there. A pair of scissors. He has a pair of flip-flops here from Dollarama. This is the Kawaii brand. I've heard that brand is very good from there. So he has a couple of these little spin tops. And I included a couple of these little Ziploc bags for him to keep his sidewalk chalk in. And then a couple of these washcloths. Some more little cute outer space stickers. And then he has this little book here. It's 1, 2, 3 blast off, and it becomes a little measuring chart, a growth chart. And I got that from the Dollar Tree. Now, one thing I've noticed at Dollarama, and here in Canada where I am at least, another reason why the cereal boxes might be a good idea for you is I have not been finding a lot of plastic bins like I used to. Matter of fact, a couple of the times that I've gone in, there hasn't been any 6-liter bins. So I don't know if I've bought them all from the 2 Dollaramas that I have near me, or what's going on, but I haven't been able to find them, so that might be another reason why you may want to try doing a cereal box as well. Also, I would really like to next year start using more of the traditional OCC boxes. I really like how Christy M uses their boxes for the majority of her shoe boxes. In Canada, we still have the old boxes. We don't have the new ones. So hopefully the border opens up soon and I can order from the US and have them sent to my parents' house. But just another thing I thought I'd let all of you that live in Canada know is the boxes that we order here, they are the old boxes. So I really appreciate Nikki letting me know that. But I'm going to try next year to do more of the OCC boxes. So I just thought I'd let you know that as well. And this was not the tote bag I wanted to give him, but it's the only one that I could fit in here. So he has this as his tote bag, but he does have a nice lunchbox and a pencil pouch as well. So that's everything in my toddler boy 2 to 4 outer space themed shoebox. If you have any questions, you can always email me. I have my email in the description box below. And I appreciate you guys watching this. And if you're not subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe if you enjoy unboxings. And I will talk to you guys later.